Welcome back. Welcome back. I have some update on this E Squeegee. This is more or less for the Wagtail users, or maybe some of you who are thinking about getting into Wagtail and what to buy. But I just wanted to say, man, this is a lot of fun to use. Almost as much as fun as the power pivot, if not more. I think I enjoy this better than the slipstream. It just moves different on the glass. The feel is different. The design is different. And I just gotta tell you, this is a better setup. Willie's really outdone himself with this, and I'm gonna tell you why. With the original power pivot, it was a Velcro system. This is a clip system. Now the beautiful thing about this is that when this gets worn, you can actually pull this clip out, right? You can slide the clip out and flip it around. So you put this side now and that, and this side will be the one exposed. So it's almost like you get two gliding strips out of one tool, you know? And that's fantastic. I just want to say that to you in the group, I think y'all gonna want to get this tool, man, because not only is this so much better in so many areas, is when you're hitting the frame and dive bombing, or however your technique is, if you don't dog ear your channels like I do, it's nothing like that sound. Now that may not be a big deal to you, but you gotta be mindful of that scraping noise on certain frameworks, especially if you have wooden framework and you're worried about the metal scraping the paint over time. You know, right where the channel rubs up against the frame. If it's wooden and it's painted, it could actually, damage it. This is less likely to damage it. And amongst others, the window itself. All you need is one mistake to actually have that squeegee hit the glass some kind of way, or you have your pole, you turn around. Now the squeegee is falling into the window and puts a scratch in it. And if it's tinted, then it's going to take a piece of the tint where the squeegee hit. You see, it's about working smart. And I got to tell you, man, I highly recommend this tool. I really do. This is the best one yet. And stay tuned because Willie's got some other surprises for y'all. This, I don't know if it's ready to go out in production just yet, but I think it is. I think it is. I don't think nothing needs to be changed on this. And you know what makes this even more grand of a tool? Is this rubber. This rubber works so much better with the pad compared to other rubbers that may have used. It works so much better because you don't need a whole lot of soap with this rubber and this type of tool if you choose to. This rubber is fantastic. It doesn't wear down as much as Mormon, that new blue rubber. I still have yet to talk about that, and I am going to talk about it. And you may be surprised at what I'm going to say, but I'm really going to break it down for y'all. And is it a good fit for y'all? Sorbo, I also have another review coming up. Sorbo's new formula. I'll be giving an assortment of rubbers away. I will be giving black diamond ruby red rubbers away. I'll be giving some Sorbo rubber standard cut rubbers away, or if you prefer the sorbo style, that will be the person's choice. And I will be giving away some of the Mormon blue rubber away to the winner. It'll be one strip of each. Now I'm not sure, but I think the 36 inches is in the standard cut of the Sorbo, but I may just give an 18-inch piece out of each one to make it fair because I'll be having some more giveaways coming up shortly. I will be giving away that new Sorbo pen and maybe some other things. I'm not sure. But stay tuned for that upcoming contest. I don't know what I'm going to do for the contest, but rest assured, it is not going to be easy. And it's all in fun nonetheless, you know? So stay tuned. Macafracka. Outstanding. Perfect piece of machinery, man. It is so professional looking, but yet, man, look at that. That is professional looking. Man, this doesn't look like a DIY project like most of mine do, which is outstanding. But I don't care what it looked like. It may look like a Franken tool, but it works. All right, Macafracka like a piece.